it's really about. It is the light, the food, or just presents. Let's ask around. Someone must know. It's about me. Everyone gathers around me. A single You do look nice, but do you give anything?
Excuse me, I am the best one. People smile when they see me. I am the joy of Christmas.
But what inside you? You is more important than the wrapping it, right?
I am the most important. I'm left one land to baby Jesus. I shine with purple.
Wait, who baby Jesus?
Now you're getting to the heart of Christmas. It's not about light, tree, or gift. It's about Jesus, born in a manger to bring peace and hope to the world.
So, Christmas is about love and the greatest gift of all.
Exactly. Jesus is the best gift that who we celebrate.